driving west through the Bighorn Mountains. Hills were heavy with new fallen snow. Sun-bright hills were dappled like a pony. Was driving hard, had miles to go. The magpie flew across that mountain highway. It flashed and tumbled through the golden trees. I thought of you, and my heart was lifted. Floated with that magpie on the morning breeze. Where I go, you go with me. Though the miles keep us apart, kisses on my lips, your face before me, and your gentle hand always on my heart. We're brief summer lightning, we're swift as swallows' flight. We're sparks that spiral upwards in the darkness in the night. We're frost upon the window, we won't pass this way again. And in the end, dear, only love remains. Tonight the harvest moon hangs across the valley. See the hills shine in its silvery light. It's the same old moon that shines upon you. Light my way till I'm by your side. Who scattered these diamonds through the vault of heaven? Who drew the curve of the magpie's wing? Who shaped your face? And what made you love me? Where's the spark of every living thing? 'Cause I don't know, and I don't care either. I know you love me, how could I not see? And I'm yours, now and forever, till my lips fall silent and my eyes can't see. We're brief as summer lightning, we're swift as swallows' flight. We're sparks that spiral upward in the darkness in the night. We're frost upon the window, we won't pass this way again. And in the end, dear, only love remains. We're brief summer lightning, we're swift as swallows fly. We're sparks that spiral upward in the darkness in the night. We're frost on the window, we won't pass this way again. And in the end, dear, only love remains. Have a happy Saturday night.